Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make white sauce noodles. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1/4 cup of unsalted butter and an equal amount of all-purpose flour to create the roux. For the creamy sauce, have 2 cups of milk on hand. Whole milk works best for a rich texture. Don't forget about 8 ounces of your preferred cooked pasta, along with salt, black pepper, and a tiny pinch of nutmeg for perfect seasoning. Now, let's create the foundation of our delicious white sauce, the roux. Begin by melting 1/4 cup of butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Once the butter is fully melted, whisk in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Continue whisking constantly for about 1 to 2 minutes until a smooth, pale paste forms. This cooking process is crucial as it eliminates the raw flour taste and develops a rich, nutty flavor for your sauce. With your roux ready, it's time to transform it into a creamy sauce. Slowly pour in 2 cups of milk, a little at a time, while continuously whisking to prevent any lumps. Keep stirring as the sauce gently heats and begins to thicken. Once it reaches a light simmer, remove it from the heat. Now, season your sauce with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a small pinch of nutmeg for a warm, aromatic touch. The final step is to bring everything together for a delightful meal. Carefully add your 8 ounces of cooked pasta directly into the warm, creamy white sauce. Gently toss the noodles, ensuring every strand is beautifully coated with the rich sauce. Give it a quick taste and adjust the salt or pepper if needed. Serve your homemade white sauce noodles immediately for a comforting and incredibly satisfying dish that's perfect anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.